What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Kelly Builds. Today we are back on the 32, just doing little stuff that I can do because, as you guys know, a lot of it is like big fab stuff, so that's Travis's department. So today we're gonna keep it simple. We've got the pedals here. I'll show ya. I know there's so much stuff around here, very distracting. So I'm gonna be sandblasting these. Of course, they've seen, you know, a better day. So yeah, we'll take these, put them in our Eastwood blasting cabinet that we have, and yeah, blast them, paint them, call it a day. Kids are down, so let's hope it stays like that so I can get this little task taken care of. All right. So I'm gonna stick this in the vise and then take this apart just to get it a little neater.
That might be a good idea.
Can I just hold that? Yes.
Fingers.
Look at that.
Yep.
Cargirl who? Cargirl what?
What are you doing?
Oh, I thought maybe I could get this. Nasty. Okay. That's it, right?
You can blast those too. You can get pedal pads and throw them on it.
Blast what?
Those.
These?
Yeah.
You don't want to try to take that off?
Sure. Pull it out with a screwdriver. Something.
I think it's impregnated.
You got lows today?
Yup. We're trying to get like a half hour work in on my front end.
Nice.
Try and get the old one out. That's probably the goal.
Oh!
Put my springs and stuff on. Then it's enough to paint everything else. Yes. It looks so
out of control.
It looks so good right now. Like.
Try that again.
See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm gonna have you loosen that for me. So as you saw, Travis loosened it for me so I don't, you know, break my neck. One of my kids is up and outside, so, you know, that old song and dance, you know? Oh. Okay. All right. I don't remember which way to do this. Don't forget to use code Kelly10 if you were shopping with Eastwood, because you'll get 10% off your order. So that's pretty sick. Thank you, Eastwood.
Used to. Stay away from the threads. If you hit them, it doesn't really matter, but don't want to go crazy on them.
Last time I used this, it was blowing smoke all over the place. Remember?
Well, I don't think you had your vacuum on.
Yes, I did.
Did you?
Yes. I remember you came home and you was all over the place. So before I sandblast that, because it's going to be kind of boring anyway, I'll show you. Travis is done with the 36 for the day, and he's moving over to 32 stuff. So you guys can see what the master is actually doing here.
I get a steel B-post. So I got most of it done. Now I just got to recess these squares for the hinges so they lay flat. That's it.
That's
There'll
it.
be a lot of cutting and grinding. And, I mean, cutting and welding.
Yes.
Hopefully not so much grinding, but, you know.
Okay, so everything's blasted. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna use what my son calls the pissa, and then get the extra particles off, and then we'll just spray it. One kit is up, so time's a ticking, people. Well, why'd that like squirt stuff out?
Condensation.
A water trap?
Yeah.
It just popped off. Can you put this on? Why'd this just pop off? I had it on and it popped off.
You didn't have it on.
Okay.
You had half on.
Half on. The first piece. So cute, the little Ford. You know? Don't you think? I don't know. I just think it's cute. The little Ford emblem right there. I don't know if you can even see it. Cute. Good. Number 2.
Start off of the piece every stroke and end up. You don't start on it and stop on it.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
that kind of thing.
How many layers do you do?
Do a light coat on this side. When it dries, flip it over. Do a light coat.
Yes.
When it dries, flip it over. Do a heavier coat.
Okay.
And till it's all good.
Should have gotten into graffiti as a child, I guess. As a youth. As a teen. Okay. Let's see. She can do it. It's just spray paint. Easy breezy. feel like I look so like awkward. Like, how does one do this? Perfect. How long does it take to dry? Okay, so I guess let it marinate for a second. Okay. It's done. Trav did this. I feel like I look so awkward doing this, but I feel awkward. Ow! Oh shit. I didn't flip it. Just listening to my heart at this point. Okay, I'm gonna chill for a second and do it in a second. Flip. Flippity doodah. Okay. Now we just American graffiti it. Get it? Okay. If I had it the right way, it would be good. We may never know. Once again, not a professional. If you're looking for a professional, you're at the wrong channel. I mean, they're looking pretty great to me. Can you go overboard with this?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe just check it then. Because I'm like probably going a little crazy. Alright, I need to stop. I need to put it down. I gotta put my beef in the oven, guys. So I need to hurry up, finish this. So yeah, doing a 3-hour beef tonight. You put the little chunks in the thing. You get cream of mushroom soup, onion, soup mix, beefy onion, mix it all, a little bit of water, throw it in the oven, 3 hours, 300 degrees, you know, it's delicious. With some nice mashed potatoes, and you put the gravy on top with asparagus. So, you need a dinner idea for tomorrow. You're welcome.
Give it another coat. It's a little light in here.
But it's good. Flip it. Because I just did that side. So what, one more coat? And then I'm probably good?
Yeah. But this spray paint doesn't like to be like this. This is optimal. It loves being like that.
Okay.
We have plenty of paint.
Okay. So I guess, yeah, we'll do one more coat. Cracks here. Alright guys, I think that's it. I mean, you know, much better than before. fairly easy. So those are all set. It's 3 o'clock, which means the baby's up. So I have to get him, and then what the heck? That's it, guys. You know, it's simple, it is easy, but it still has to get done, right? Right, Trav?
Every little piece.
Every little piece, something counts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, comment, tell your friends, whatever. This channel is growing and we're super stoked and super grateful for you guys to be here, and I will see you guys next time.